Whether you want to take cinematic videos or just want to have fun flying one, a drone can be quite useful to have. And even though these come in a lot of price ranges, drones under $500 can offer you almost everything that you would want, including the following features. Are you looking for the best drones under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DEERC DE22 GPS Drone. DEERC is a popular brand that sells kids' toys including RC cars, RC boats, drones and supporting accessories. The DE22 drone from DEERC uses 2-axis gimbal and AIS technology that improves image stability by reducing blurring. With this drone, you can record 4K videos at 30 FPS that are clear and very detailed. Besides, the 5 GHz frequency offers transmissions up to 3,900 feet FPV and delivers live feed without any lags. The drone has a 4K UHD camera with 5x zoom, using which you can take high-quality photos at a closer look. You can adjust the lens up to 80 degrees that allow you to take photos from creative angles. You get 52 minutes of flight time with the 2 batteries. When you want to carry the drone, you can fold it and keep it in its case for convenience. The drone is equipped with several features that make flying this drone safe and exciting. If you are a beginner, the functions altitude hold, follow me, waypoints and circle fly make flying this drone very easy. The GPS and auto return feature ensures that you do not lose your drone and it returns automatically to your location. Number 2. DJI CP.MA.0000123.01 Mavic Mini Combo. Any list of best drones would not be meaningful if there isn't at least one product from DJI. As you would expect, DJI offers a great combo pack for the DJI Mavic Mini that comes with a wide range of useful accessories and tools. DJI's Mavic Mini Combo is the second drone in the list as it offers the best accessories in its combo. You get a total of 3 batteries and a 2-way charging hub in it for a long flying time of up to 30 minutes. It even includes various propellers and propeller guards. All of these things can be easily carried in its included carrying bag that is of high quality. This DJI Mavic Mini drone is quite small and compact and offers a foldable design. It means that you can easily fit this 249-gram drone almost anywhere. Despite the small size, you can record up to 2.7K video with this drone. That is possible because of its 12MP camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini Portable Drone. As mentioned earlier, you can find a wide range of combo and accessory packs for the DJI Mavic Mini. This one is called the Starters Bundle and is slightly better than the base bundle of this drone. This DJI Mavic Mini Starters Bundle is another option to consider if you are on a budget. While it has basic extra accessories like a cleaning kit, propellers, and cables, the price is quite decent. As you would expect, it also includes everything from the Mavic Mini base bundle, including the battery, charger, and controller. One of the best things about this DJI Mavic Mini drone is that it is quite small and compact. It even offers a foldable design for easily storing it anywhere you want to. Its 30 minutes of flying time ensures that you do not have to replace batteries again and again while recording videos. As for the videos, you can either record FHD or 2.7K videos as per your wish. Number 4. QWinOut F4X1 FPV Racing Drone. QWinOut is a drone brand known for making high-performance FPV drones that offer various amazing drones at an affordable price range. This QWinOut FPV drone is one of the best options out there if you are looking for a high-speed drone under $500. It consists of a quadcopter drone and a FreeSky XM receiver, which ensure that you have precise control of the drone along with a high range while flying it. Another great thing about this F4X1 175mm FPV drone is that it comes assembled out of the box for ease of use. Since this is an FPV drone, you also get the support for FPV goggles for extra immersion. It has dual CW and CCW 2900 kV motors with 750 mAh-3's 11.1 V80C lithium polymer battery capacity. It is remote controlled that has night and day modes letting you switch between day and night. You will get a GHF 411 AIO flight controller OpenX FS16 transmitter, LST009 FPV goggles, and integrated flight control ESC. This is highly compact and lightweight, offering a total of 10-minute flight time that is quite high when you consider the speed of this drone. Unfortunately, this FPV drone does not include any extra accessories that might be an issue for some users.